Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Let's start with the today's topic, differing strands within the movement. The Satyagraha against Toilet Act was successful, but it didn't reach masses in rural areas. Mahatma Gandhi wanted a mass movement that would involve people from all religions across the country. This paved the way for non-cooperation movement, which was favored by Gandhiji. According to Gandhiji, by this movement, all Indians worked together for a single national movement. Non-cooperation Khilafat movement began in Jan 1921. Various social groups participated in this movement to meet their objectives. In the term, people responded wholeheartedly to the call of Swaraj. But the term meant different to different people. The movement started with the participation of middle class in cities. Many teachers, students and headmasters of government-controlled communities joined this movement. Lawyers also gave up their legal practices and boycott courts. During this time, most of Indian provinces boycotted the council elections except Madras, as they felt that entering the council was the only way to gaining power, which used to be in the hands of Brahmins. Meanwhile, people picketed liquor shops and boycotted foreign clothes at many places. Foreign clothes were burnt in huge bonfire. Foreign clothes import halved between 1921 and 1922 and dropped from rupees 102 crore to 57 crore. The use of domestic goods and Swadeshi were encouraged by Mahatma Gandhi. Some Indian traders also rejected foreign goods and foreign trade. Gradually, the demand for Indian clothes increased and the production of Indian textile mill and handlooms went up. Although the non-cooperation movement had begun with an active response from the people, but it slowed down after a while. Let's understand why. Number 1. The replacement for foreign cloth was khadi, which was quite expensive and not within the reach of Indians. Next one. Due to the lack of alternative, people start to buy milk cloth again. Similarly, no Indian alternative for the British Institute had been set up so far. So, teachers and students came back to their schools and colleges and lawyers rejoined the courts. So, these were the reasons due to which movement was slowed down in cities. Rest topic we will do in the next video. For better understanding, read page number 58 of your NCERT book. Thank you. Have a nice day.